You are trying to shift your truck into four-wheel drive to get through some mud or snow, but the system refuses to engage and a warning light starts flashing. That is often when you see the code P0800, which is the Transfer Case Control System MIL request. This code is a little different because it is essentially a messenger. It tells you that the transfer case control module has found a problem and is asking the main engine computer to turn on the check engine light to warn you. This applies to 4x4 in all-wheel drive vehicles like those from Jeep, GMC, or Ford. The transfer case is the gearbox behind your transmission that splits power to the front and rear axles. Modern trucks use electronics to shift between 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. When this code sets, it means the system has detected a malfunction that prevents it from shifting or holding gear correctly. This is a potentially serious issue because if your transfer case fails while driving, you could lose power to the wheels or get stuck in neutral. Symptoms include the inability to shift into or out of four-wheel drive, the service 4WD light flashing, or weird grinding noises coming from under the center of the vehicle. Causes range from a simple low fluid level to a failed shift motor or a shorted sensor. The shift motor is a common failure point because it sits exposed under the truck and gets hit with water, salt, and road debris. To fix this, your first step is always to check the transfer case fluid. Remove the fill plug and make sure the fluid is full and looks clean, not burnt or metallic. If the fluid is good, you need to use a scanner that can read transmission codes to see exactly what part of the transfer case is unhappy. It might point you to the encoder motor or a specific position sensor. You can use a digital volt-ohm meter to check for power and ground at the transfer case connector. Look for corroded pins or broken wires, especially if you take your vehicle off-road. If the wiring is solid, the issue is likely the shift motor itself or the internal mechanical parts. Because the transfer case is heavy and complex, if the fluid and external wiring check out fine, you might need a transmission specialist to dig deeper into the internal clutches or gears.